Understanding Electrical Wires, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common but crucial term in everyday life, electrical wire. Understanding this will not only expand your English vocabulary but also help you grasp a basic concept in modern technology. So, let's get started. An electrical wire is a type of conductor, which is a material that conducts electricity. It's typically made of materials like copper or aluminum and is covered by an insulating material to protect against electric shocks and short circuits. These wires are used to transmit electric current from one point to another, making them essential for powering devices, appliances, and lighting in our homes and workplaces. There are several types of electrical wires, each serving a different purpose. 1. Single-strand wire. This is a single, solid wire most commonly used in homes. 2. Stranded wire. Composed of multiple small strands, this wire is more flexible and is used in applications where movement is involved. 3. Coaxial cable. Used for television and internet connections. 4. Twisted pair wire. Commonly used for telephone and network cables. Understanding these types helps in identifying the right wire for the right use. Safety is paramount when dealing with electrical wires. Here are some key points. Never touch exposed wires. They can cause electric shocks. Check for insulation. Ensure wires are properly insulated to prevent accidents. Hire a professional. For any electrical installation or repair, always seek professional help. Electrical wires are everywhere around us. They are in the walls of our homes, in our electronic devices, and in the streetlights. Recognizing their importance helps us appreciate how electricity is delivered safely and efficiently. That's all about electrical wires. We hope this video has shed light on this essential component of our electrically powered world. Remember, learning English is not just about words, but understanding the concepts behind them. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.